a couple of minutes. In the meantime, can you please tell me something about yourself? Um, how are you feeling? You comfortable? And you can tell me about your uh, technical skills. What I mean in detail. Uh, what are your strong suits and what are your strengths?
Yes. I have overall 10.6 years experience in Oracle Apps DBA. I started working from the beginning version of 11.5.8 in Riyadh. I worked as a
Hey, Shubham.
Can you hear me? I'm audible to you?
No, I can't hear you. I mean, really bad connection at your end, or your mic is not at full volume.
Hello?
Yeah, better now.
Yeah, you're visible now.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, After you are audible now.
Yes. Yeah. 10.6 years experience I have in Oracle Apps DBA, and in that my recent project with Riverbed and middle company is ITC. ITC placed me on Riverbed in California on site. There was a six DBA team members, and three are working from USA and three from Bangalore, and working day-to-day activities and handling that issues and migration of the codes from the third-party tool from Quintana to in EBS environment. And apart from this, patching, cloning, and workflow issues, regular issues, handling database issues, handling in the rack environment, and sometimes major issues with the for the end client for web browser is not connecting properly, and handling this yes. And yeah, this was the major things in handling yeah. The main setup is the like we have main branch in California and DR side into the Chicago and connecting to the cloud with the help of OCI, and Golden Gate replication was there. This is the main setup, and five instances on the production server, including Discoverer and two DB nodes, and EBS and CP and production servers. Yes, and before that, I worked for Trivaco Technologies. It is in Europe, and I work in Europe on site, and that is directly I selected from here. It's a Siemens client, and they wanted to move their production server to the Malaysia.
Uh,
So my main
Arthur, can you hear me?
yes.
Just sorry to cut you short. Uh, I just want to know your technical experience uh, and um, and uh, just something about yourself.
Yes.
Don't go into
Okay.
what your experience is. I can see it,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Tell me technical side.
Handling issues on the EPS and patching, cloning, upgradation, migration. These are the regular things. And forms issues, concurrent manager issues, and day-to-day activities handling, and issues, internal errors, HRM issues. These are the issues. Yes, you can ask me the questions. I already told.
Okay. Um, I see uh, you are having 9i OCP. So what was your score?
was my
Score.
score in OCP. Yeah, more than
Mm-hmm.
70%.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just open the discussion. I'll just proceed with small things, and then we'll take it forward, and uh, we'll discuss more, take more on, maybe grid, or maybe advanced features of Oracle VBAs and OCI, something like that. So, um, can you tell me how normally RMan works?
Yes. RMan is the tool for databases, and we are taking that backups with the help of RMan. So there is a incremental backups, there is a full backup. These are the backups we can use, and yes, and taking that recovery manager, and we can start with the command prompt, and we can get the full databases backups. And for the yes, for the cloning purpose, we had to duplicate backup we had to use. There is a target and target database, that is a RMan repository, and this is fast recovery, and it's a yes, media manager, and we have to set that recovery catalog, and we can start with the RMan prompt, and we can connect to the database, and connect target database password. Once it's connected, so we can take that backup with the help of giving that syntaxes.
Yeah, so basically, what I was looking at is this I can ask with a person having a lower experience. They will also tell me. What I was looking at, how it works behind the scenes. We don't know. I mean, we fire some commands. How does it? How does RMan manages everything? Is what I'm interested in knowing.
Yes, it's archive log mode. We had to take that backups, and it's a inconsistent backup, because it's a redo is requiring for that backup, and during that recovery, and archive redo logs needed to recover the backup, and for data protection,
Mm.
and it is no archive mode we can use, and types of backup is there. So this is other things, incremental backups and other backups.
Would you know on so what is the actual brain behind our
What is actual?
brain behind RMan?
Yes, plain. Yes, the behind that we had to give that recovery or tag name, and level 0 data file.
I think you got me wrong. Um, I'm asking you on what component, right? There must be something in the database which enables RMan to take backups, right? So there is that is called the brain of the RMan.
Hmm. Yes, I'm confused whether I had to say architecture of backup concepts. You are not specific to any other questions. Architecture, I'm telling you
Okay.
are asking different question. I'm telling different question.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So RMan works on certain objects, right?
Okay.
It's a database, so it has to work on certain objects. So, what are those objects? Do you know that?
Objects. No.
Okay, can I use archive log and FRA
Okay,
in parallel?
okay. Yes, you can use.
How can I do it?
Yes. First of all, you have to set that flashback database, and in that you can flashback database to restore point you have to mention, and flashback database to what we have our SCN number. So it will open the reset logs, so that then it will copy flashback logs and fast recovery area. It's using that login its own logging mechanism.
Um, um, can you tell me what was my question?
Your question is multiple flashbacks you want to use.
I'm saying my question is you can enable archive log, right,
Okay,
in the database.
okay.
Can you also use FRA along with archive?
No, I did not use.
Sorry?
I did not use such in my during my work. I did not use such
No,
things.
I'm not talking about your work.
Yes.
I'm just talking,
No.
just we are having a